Will AI take your job? It's the big question on everyone's mind. Headlines scream, jobs at risk. Automation takeover. But one thing history has proven over and over again is this. Every revolution creates new opportunities. The Industrial Revolution created new jobs for factory workers, engineers, inventors. The rise of computers led to new careers in programming, data science, user experience design. The internet changed everything and created even more opportunities for entrepreneurs, digital marketers, social media experts. And now, AI is transforming our world and economy in unprecedented ways, creating a whole new set of career opportunities that didn't even exist a decade ago. Look around you. Almost every traditional job today is going to be transformed by AI. Factory workers alongside robots, doctors with AI assistants, teachers with AI tutors. Lawyers and journalists will have AI research partners. CEOs will have AI strategy officers. But here is the key point. All these humans plus AI working together will create even more opportunities and new career paths that we cannot even imagine yet. Here's what we do know. AI trainers will be in charge of teaching AI models how to perform new tasks. Prompt engineers will craft the perfect words to get the best results from AI tools. AI ethicists will ensure responsible and unbiased AI development. AI trainers, prompt engineers, AI ethicists, and more. These are the new careers of tomorrow that will drive our future economy. Jobs that didn't exist a decade ago are now in high demand. And according to our research, these roles will only grow in the years to come. So yes, AI changes jobs, but history has shown us that it also creates new ones. The key is to be aware of the changes happening around you, to learn and adapt to the new tools and technologies that are emerging. Will you be left behind, or will you lead the way into this brave new world? That's the choice we all have to make. This is a pivotal moment in history. The rise of AI is not a threat. It's an opportunity to create a better future for ourselves and for humanity. Embracing change can be scary, but the alternative is not an option. We must evolve and adapt to thrive in this new era. And remember, you are not alone in this journey. We're all in this together. So let's look to the future with hope and excitement. Let us welcome the changes that AI brings and work together to shape this new era for the better. Thank you.